Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use crates and grow a garden. So guys, I've already gotten this crate from the summer update in Grow a Garden, and at first I was confused how we should use the summer crate in Grow a Garden, and finally I found the answer. So guys, to use the crate, you need to place the crate on your garden like this. For example, I'm going to place it here. You can find a location for the crate. Okay, I have already placed my crate here, and then we need to wait for the crate. Wait, let me check it. Okay, and for this crate, we need to wait for about an hour, and after that, we'll be able to open up the crate. Okay, and then I'm just going to open up the crate I have already placed on my garden. For example, I'm going to open up this crate. Okay, it's ready to open, and just click on open. On PC, you can right click, you can tap and hold like this, and wow, I get this flag. And then if we want to get the items from the crate, we need to go to this menu, guys, the cosmetic inventory. Okay, and these are my cosmetics inventory, and this is the item I have just gotten from the crate. And wait, let me place it here on my garden. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to use crate and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.